Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Hi friends, today we are going to talk about the importance of June 3rd in this year, that is 2020, for Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh. The Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, that is RSS, is celebrating Hindu Samrajya Divas, one of the six festivals it celebrates throughout the year at an organizational level. The other five festivals which the RSS celebrates at its shakhas are Vijayadashmi, Makar Sankranti, Varsh Pratipada, Guru Purnima, and Raksha Bandhan. Now, this sixth festival, that is the Hindu Samrajya Divas, is celebrated to commemorate the coronation of Chhatrapati Shivaji in 1674. Why RSS celebrates it? The RSS celebrates it because it feels that it is time to remember, uh, and it is important to keep the memory of Chhatrapati Shivaji alive, because the day he was coronated, that was the day when a Hindu kingdom was actually established in the recent times. So it's important to celebrate this day as a festival so that all the virtues of Chhatrapati Shivaji can be recalled and can be imbibed. Now, before this lockdown happened, for years, ever since the RSS inception, the Hindu Samrajya Divas was celebrated in a particular manner. On most of the shakhas, the swimsevaks or the volunteers would pay tribute to Chhatrapati Shivaji, his guru, that is Samarth Guru Ramdas, and his mother, that is Mata Jijabai. Uh, all three are one of the most revered figures, you can say, in the RSS. Uh, Apart from that, the RSS Swayamsevaks also used to read, or a senior functionary would come and read the letter which Chhatrapati Shivaji had written to Raja Jai Singh. Now, Raja Jai Singh was fighting from the Mughals, from the side of Mughals. So, Chhatrapati Shivaji had written him a letter urging him not to shed bloods of Hindus, his Hindu brothers and sisters. So that letter is also read on this day at all the shakhas. And then there are a number of poems and songs which have been written uh, praising Chhatrapati Shivaji, remembering him, and remembering the coronation day, and the model of good governance which he had established. So these are all the activities which are carried out to celebrate Hindu Samrajya Divas. Apart from that, literature is also distributed. But now we are still facing lockdown, and the movements are still restricted. The RSS has not been holding its daily shakhas ever since this lockdown was started because of coronavirus. So on this day, in large number of webinars, seminars, talks, all these programs are being held on digital platforms online. Most of these programs are held at district level, and all the same activities will be carried out. The only thing would be that this time it would be not on a playground or at a physical space, but this time it would be in the digital space. In fact, the RSS is expecting that because of the celebration in the digital space, it's going to expand its reach further, and the message is going to actually go down to a much wider audience this time. So, one last thing, the importance of Hindu Samrajya Divas for the RSS or for other inspired organizations like BJP can be gauged from the fact that in 2017 a very interesting book was published by the then Environment Minister in Narendra Modi government. The title of the book was Shivaji and Suraj, and the preface was written by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself, and the introduction to the book was written by the RSS Sarsangachalak, Dr. Mohan Bhagwat himself. So, what Mr. Bhagwat wrote in the introduction of the book would tell you that how important Chhatrapati Shivaji, his coronation day, and Hindu Samrajya Divas is for the RSS. So, I quote from Mr. Bhagwat's introduction for the book. The kingdom and administration established by Shivaji Maharaj in the 17th century remains relevant, ideal, and topic of research for almost all classes and sections of the populace of the country even today. And now I quote Prime Minister Modi, who wrote in the preface of this book: Shivaji is relevant to us even in this age. Today, when the nation yearns for good governance, it will be relevant to recall that centuries ago, the foundation of the Shivaji's kingdom was laid on the basis of this very principle of good governance. So, the RSS detractors uh, can criticize the organization to celebrate this day as a Hindu Samrajya Divas and maybe terming it as a communal also. But the fact remains that for RSS and for all its inspired organizations and for lakhs of volunteers and millions of Swamsevaks, Hindu Samrajya Divas is one of the key events of the year, and the even amidst the lockdown, they are going to celebrate it with same fervor. Thank you.